guys!
This is my Mima.
And this is my Rella. For today's kwentuhan, I have a question for Rella so we can check how smart she is. If you could invent something to make your life easier, what would it be?
Time lapse.
Huh?
Time lapse.
Oh, what do you mean by time lapse?
Like you're gonna go younger again. Go older, go younger. Go older, go younger.
What's that thing?
And then
Time.
And then you will not die.
Ano kaya yung palagay mong bagay na yan para maimbento natin? Bagay eh. We're looking for an object.
To live.
We're looking for an object. I'm asking for an object.
Object.
Yeah. What will you invent to make your life easier? Ano ba yung na-invento ng mga nag-inventor? Siyempre, it's things. To make your life easier. For me, for example, I give you an example. I want to invent a shoes that have wheels. Oh, you know why?
I will make a magic carpet.
You know why?
Right.
Why do you think? What do you think?
So you can roam around easier.
Oh, diba?
My turn.
So wait lang. So hindi ako mapapagod mag-walk or mag-run because my shoes have wheels. Actually, meron naman ganyan.
Parang roller skate.
Pero
My turn.
I don't know, but meron naman lang shoes na may wheels. Pero the difference is
It's roller skate.
yeah, it's roller skates. But the difference I want to invent a bigger wheels so I can bring it to the streets. Kasi yung rollerblades, maliliit lang yun eh. So, teka muna, let me finish. So, for me, I want to invent shoes that with bigger wheels that can bring in the street.
My turn.
Oh, sige, your turn.
Magic carpet.
Wow, why magic carpet?
So, like in Aladdin, they can fly. So, when I want to roam around by myself and you said yes, I will use my magic carpet, I will fly.
Well,
So I can see, so I can go up in the world. I can travel without the airplane. I can see airplane. I can see different countries like Mexico, Japan.
What you're saying is okay naman, pero parang napaka-invisible pa to do that. So we're looking here for hindi pala
Yes,
visible.
teacher.
Hindi pala. It's a reality. So parang it's not in the reality that you can invent a flying
Yes,
carpet.
teacher.
So doon tayo sa reality.
Gusto ko yung magic carpet.
Hindi, oo nga, naintindihan ko yung sagot mo, no?
Kasi ganito yung magic carpet.
Ito na lang. I am talking about, yung everyday living, the thing that you can use. Pero syempre, hindi ka na...
Because when
Opo!
when I was gonna stand up, I was, I'm walking. Oh, my shoes has wheels.
Kasi,
I get tired. I want to sit down all day.
Kasi
What if we don't have car and I want to sit down all day? So, a magic carpet, I can always sit down.
Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, okay naman yon. Pero I want you to think more realistic pala. Yung
A magic carpet.
aside from that, yung everyday use mo. Yung,
magic carpet. Okay. Ito ha.
aside from that nga.
A magic carpet with wheels. A magic carpet can
Hindi
fly
na
like...
nga, it can fly na nga eh.
It's like an airplane, diba?
An airplane.
It's like an airplane, diba? Airplane. They're like this, then when they go in the sky, they fly.
Sige.
I want it like that.
Sige,
Wheels, and then I will
talaga
go
yun.
up to the sky. So like, when there's no more battery to fly, I will just use the wheels.
Okay, tama naman.
So when it's full charge now, you just have to give like a whole new world.
Well, Okay naman yan.
May isa pa ako. May isa pa ako.
Oh, sige, what's the other one?
A house, when I go inside, there is, it will roll up a carpet. Then when I go in my room, a lot of clothes will be there. Like this, I enter the room.
Fantasy naman yung ibig mo sabihin.
Okay.
It's not a reality kasi eh. Pero okay
you.
lang. Yun talaga yung nasa isip mo eh. Pero it's like, it's more of a fantasy. Parang impossible to happen.
We're graduating online.
Okay. So, ako alam mo kung ano pa yung isa pang gusto kong invent.
Ano?
I want to invent a mirror where when you see or when you look at the mirror, may makeup ka na. O, diba? Hindi mo na kailangan ng isang oras ka nasa salamin para...
Parang sasabi ni Daddy.
Teka lang, para ayusin yung mukha mo, para gumanda ka. Gusto ko yung mirror na pagtingin mo, tapos pagtingin mo, maganda ka na kasi may makeup ka na.
Kasi sasabi pa ng lola ko, Jinky, bilisan mo, ang tagal mo mag-make up.
O, diba?
Tapos pag nasa kotse ka,
isang oras mag-make up.
Tapos nasa kotse ka, ganito ka, Daddy.
Pero,
Makeup naman ako. Gusto ko ng cellphone.
Gusto naman natin
Gusto
i-invento.
ko, Mirror nag-talk. Mirror, on the wall. Who is the artist on the mall? They say,
well, it's all
guys,
fantasy.
I want a mirror that can talk.
Okay lang. Sige,
So,
invento mo yan.
Parang sasabihin ko, Mirror, where's my food? So, I will know what will they say na. Di pa sabi, I will go down as like, to you. Mima, where's my breakfast na? I'm hungry na. Tas yung mirror nabubuksan, tas may chef sa loob. There's a lot of food.
Parang mas realistic yung paglagay mo, 'di ba? Parang doon sa isang bowl pag magluluto ka, sa isang casserole pag magluluto ka, ilagay mo lang sa lahat ng sahog doon, Lagay mo lahat ng ingredients, tapos pipindutin mo rin sa cooking range mo or sa lutuan mo cooking range. 'Di ba? Lagay mo adobo. Lagay mo sa adobo, siya na lahat magluluto,
Ayoko yun. Baka yun nag-birth ha. Kung yun nag-start, tignan mo.
Hindi nga, you will invent that thing.
Oo nga.
Kaya, syempre, hindi masisira yun. You invent it nga eh. Syempre, I know it's something good. Pero...
What if you don't know what will you do?
Parang pipiliin mo yung cooking range mo. Adobo, sinigang, pipindutin mo, Tapos, merong fry, meron lang saute, tapos lalagay mo na lang doon at sila bahala magluto. Wow,
gusto ko to.
Good idea.
Gusto ko, I have a robot that can do everything for me.
Better na yun. Wala ka na talagang gagawin sa buhay.
Can you please buy me makeup and put it on my face? After 10 seconds, blink. Makeup. It's easier, I will not use my hands. Like in a wedding, someone is making up you, but it's different. It's a robot.
Well, pwede naman.
Parang,
meron ka
yes,
ng utosan.
Jinky, I will give you your makeup. That lang. Kunyari to. Yes, Jinky. What did you say?
Well, actually, ngayon, ini-invento ng mga robot.
You say, I want my makeup.
I want my makeup robot, Irella.
Yes, Jinky. O, diba? Bilis-bilis.
Nice naman. Well, that's all for our kwentuhan. Thank you for watching. Fun lang kami ngayon. Fun. Come here, Irella. Say bye-bye na.
Bye!